Yeah, hi guys. So I've got this beautiful TWE 700 from Märklin from the 1937, I think. And you can tell already there's some defects. It's broken, and the experts of you will immediately recognize that this side here is missing a very essential part. Basically, the motor is missing, and the motor is the most expensive part of this locomotive. Thankfully, the original screws are still all here, and I'll just remove this now. Don't lose the washer, and you can see here someone has been working on this engine and tried to get something done. It's also nice, you can appreciate that the wheels are of different sizes. So the non-motorized wheels are smaller than the motorized ones are. So these are the original wheels, however, unfortunately they are missing. So I thought, what could I do to get this sorted? And I came up with this construction here, or contraption, I don't know what you're gonna call it. I took a motor from a 3021, as you can tell, then I put on a small pickup shoe here, connected to the motor, and then what did I do actually? I glued here the reverse unit onto an extension which I built, which I've screwed onto the chassis. There's still one original chassis screw in here, and then I built this little I don't know, a suspender here, because I will use this to suspend it here above this part here. So what else have I built? Obviously this contraption to build the frame here to suspend the my makeshift screw, which is actually just made of banana paper, and I've just followed instructions by the overfather of banana paper and polyacrylamide, super glue, Marcello, and it works a wonder how stable this is. You can, when you hit it's quite sturdy, the whole thing. And here I made this little lever, which is just decorative, of course, and it all works very well. So let's see whether this actually fits. It's a bit fiddly to put it in, because first you have to have this this reverse switch, which obviously is just decorative. Put it in here. There we go. And then my stift or shaft now comes out here on top, and I made a where is it? Here it is, a makeshift banana paper washer, which I put on top. And now the fun bit about this, I used the original screw, which I screw onto the banana paper. Yeah, believe it or not, I literally just screw this original screw here onto the banana paper, and this basically does the job. So the chassis is now stable onto my TWE 500, and I will now take it to the downs and show you how it's working. I mean, that's just very, very simple. Right, so I take now my locomotive, really nothing fancy. I put it here on a track, a Trix track. And that's now the chassis without the body of the TWE 700. Thanks for watching.